Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you Vedic maths, and in Vedic maths I am going to teach you base method of subtraction. This is my part 3 on base method of subtraction, and something is special in this video. The special thing is that today I am going to discuss with you the special cases of zero. When you find zero in the sums and when zeros are same at the top part of the sum also and at the bottom part of the sum also. So let's see how you have to deal with these cases. Now you look here, I have given the heading also. And what is important on in this slide is, you see I have underlined this portion also. So what you have to do is, you have to learn this underlined portion. I will explain you also. So now let's see the explanation. Now, if you have zero at the top and bottom in the sum, you have a sum, and on the top also if you have zero, and on the bottom also if you have the zero, then the first step you have to check is you have to make a circle and find out whether the numbers after those zero, see after those zeros, is match or mismatch. Like in my previous videos, I have told you what are the match numbers and what are the mismatch numbers. How will you do that? By making the circles. In my previous videos, I have told you how you have to make the circles. So first step here also, you have to find out the numbers by making the circles on the mismatch numbers. Now, as you know, the numbers on which you are making the circles, those numbers are mismatched. This you already know in my previous videos. So the next step is to check the numbers which are written just before the mismatch number. Okay, you have to find. Now let's see the explanation in the question, how you have to do this. Now you look at this question. This question is very important. And what is important in this question is, see, I'm showing you here. Now you can see these are the special cases and all the zeros are here. So what you have to do here is, you look here, this is 3 and 8. Okay. This is the question in which you will make a circle because this is mismatch. And this is also the same question, only difference is I have made here 8 and 3. This is the match number here. In this question, you will not make any circle. So how will you do with these cases? Now, what will you do? You read here. Okay, I have written here. Now, if you have made the circles on the numbers at the top and bottom, okay, in that case, what will you do? That before R0, then you have to write 9 there. What you have to do is, you have to write 9 here. Okay, see, I am showing you annotation also. This is the most important line which you have to learn. Wait, see, most important line is this. If you have 0, okay, if you find the 0 and the numbers are mismatched, okay, mismatch, what you have to do is, you have to then write 9 there. I will show you how in the question. Okay, this you have to learn. This is very important line. If you have a 0 before any mismatch number, you have to write 9 there. Okay, on the top and bottom, both the parts, if you have 0, I will show you here. Okay, and if the numbers are matched, what will you do in that case? If the numbers are matched, that is, you know what are the match numbers. At the top, the bigger number is there, and the bottom, the smaller number is there, on which you have not made any circles. What will you do in that case? And what will you do with that case? You will write a 0. See, I have written here. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what will you do here. You see, look at this number, look at this question, how you have to deal with this question. Your first step, you know, is that you have to make a circle here. So now I'm going to make the square here on this question. See, only in this case, you have to make a circle or square like this. Now, as I have shown you on my slide also, these, look at all these zeros. Top, on the top also it is 0, on the bottom also it is 0. Here on the top also it is 0, and on the bottom also. In all these, this is clearly visible here. So you first you will go here, then you will go here, it is same, then you will move to the next, it is also same, 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 move to the next. Yes, it is not same. You can make a circle or square now. So how will you deal with such a case? What will you do here is, now you see, you know, you have to start from here. 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, 7 minus 1 is 6. But you will not write 6 here. Why? Because you have made the square here now. So what comes before 6? 5 comes before 6. You will write here 5. What you will do with all these zeros? Here, nothing is bigger and nothing is smaller. All these are same. So, but because you have made a square here, okay. So what will you do? You will write 9. 0 minus 0. You will write here 9. Okay. Just a minute. Yes, I will tell you, just a minute. Now, after this, you will 0 minus 0, you will write down here 9. This is the rule. You have to learn this. In the starting of the video, I have told you, you have to learn this. 0 minus 0, here also you have to write 9. Again, you see this 0 minus 0, here you have to write only 9. Okay. Again, you move to the next. This is 0 minus 0, you have to write here 9. Okay, again move to the next. This is also 0 minus 0. Here you have to write 9. Again move to the next. This is also 0 minus 0. You have to write here 9. And you come to the last number. What will you do here? You have to take the complement of 8. Complement of 8 is 2. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So, and this is last number also. So you will do it like this. Okay, you know the last number you will not change. Now move to the next question. See, this is also very important. Now why this is very important? Because you will not make any circle or square here. This is the simple question. Okay, just the difference I wanted to tell you in both of these questions. What is the difference here is, see, 7 minus 1 is 6. So what will you write here? Will you write here 6? Yes. Why you will write here 6? See, I am going to write here 6. Why I am going to write, see, here I have written 6 and here I have written 5. What is the difference between these two? Difference is, here you have made the square, okay, and here I have written 6 because here I have not made any square, okay. So I am writing 6, okay. And what will you do with these zeros? In these cases, 0 minus 0 is, this 0 minus 0 is 0, move to the next pair, 0 minus 0 is 0, move to the next pair, 0 minus 0 is again 0. Okay, again move to the next pair, 0 minus 0 is again 0. Again move to the next pair, 0 minus 0 is 0. Again move to the next pair, 0 minus 0 is 0, like this. And 8 minus 3 is, okay, you know that is 5, so you will write down 5. You have to see both these questions again and again. Pause the video here and see the difference here. Here you have made a square or circle here, and in this question you have not made any square and circle here. Okay, so try to understand this difference by stopping the video and watching it again and again. Now these questions are also very important. Okay, look at part A. Here what is very important is I want to show you. Now you see this here, this is same. On the top 4 is also here and on the bottom also this is same. This is also same. On the top also you can see 8 here, on the bottom also. This is also one of the special case. You have to deal with special cases only today. Okay, 9 and 9 same. Now you see 3 and 3 same. So I am going to discuss with you the cases when the numbers are same. You see in B part 1 and 1, this is same. You see here 2 and 2, this is same. So all these numbers, look at C part, 3 and 3, this is same. Now like this here, I'm going to discuss with you these important cases. What will you do with these important cases? I will show you here. See, first what you have to do is you have to make the circle. So let's see how will you make the circle here. I'm going to annotate it and I'm going to make the circle or the square. See, I'm going to make the square here. Okay. Like this, you will make the square here. Okay, these are same, you will not do anything. These are also same. Here you have to make the square. Okay, these are same, and this is bigger. Okay, so now let's see how you will deal with this case. Now here you have how you have to start with this. This is 6 minus 2 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So before writing 4 here, you have to move to the next. Okay, here you say the numbers are same. Here also this is same. Here also this is same. So you can't judge in these 3 cases. What do you have to write here? Okay, move to the next. Here you can see the numbers are bigger or smaller. Yes, you have made a square here or the circle here. Okay. So now if you have made a circle or square here, what will you do? In these cases, you know that you have to write down 9 and here 6 minus 2 is 4, but you will not write 4 here. In your mind, you will think what comes before 4? 3 comes before 4, so you will write here 3. Okay. Now here, what will you do? In the previous question, I have told you 0 minus 0. You will write 9 here, move to the next. 0 minus 0, you will write down 9 here, move to the next. 0 minus 0, you will write down 9 here. Next, move to the next. Now you have made a square here. So what is the complement of 6? 4 is the complement of 6. Okay, what will you do with 4? You will add 4 with this 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, before writing 5 here, this is very important now. Very important. Before writing 5 here, move to the next. Can you see the number is bigger or smaller? No, the numbers are not bigger and not smaller. This is neither bigger nor smaller. Okay, here also this is neither bigger nor smaller. In the next case also, the number is neither bigger nor smaller. In the next case also, the number is neither bigger nor smaller. So how will you do with this case? You have to keep on moving to the next number till you will not find the case where the number is bigger or smaller. Yes, in the next case, in the case of 6 and 7, in this pair, you can find out the number is bigger and smaller. Here, the number is mismatched. the number is mismatched, you have made a circle here also. What will you do here? I told you here you got 4 plus 1 5 now. You will now think what comes before 5. 4 comes before 5. You will write down 4 here. Move to the next. Now what will you do with this pair? 4 and 4, 8 and 8, 9 and 9, 0 and 0. These are the cases. See, try to understand these cases. 4 minus 4, 8 minus 8, 9 minus 9, 0 minus 0. These are the special cases. Okay, these are very special cases. What will you do here? Because you see, you have made a square here, you will write 4 minus 4, 9. Again, move to the next. 8 minus 8, you will write 9. Okay. 9 minus 9, move to the next, you will write here 9. 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. This is the trick. See, this is some special trick. Why you are learning this special trick? This is not your normal maths which you have learned in your schools. This is Vedic maths. This is very important. Why I am doing all these? Abhi, today you are learning. It will take time, but slowly when you will practice lots of questions based on these problems, you will be able to find out, you will be able to do it very quickly. Maths need practice, okay? In your journal maths also, it needs practice. And if you want to go for the competitive exams, why you see here, I want to tell you the importance, why you are learning Vedic maths and not maths. Because if you go for the competitive exams, these tricks will be very useful. These tricks will save your time in your journal daily routine also. If you will learn this subtraction, this will save your time in future. Yes, today you are investing your time in learning. You have to invest your time today. But if you practice a lots of questions on this problem, and then for your future, this will be very beneficial in your competitive exams. So in the 4 minus 4 I have done here, 8 minus 8 I have done here, 9 minus 9 here I have done here, 0 minus 0 I have done here. Move to the next pair, 6 minus 7. So here in Vedic maths, find out the complement of 7. 3 is the complement of 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. Now this question, 8 question is the most important question in all my videos. You see, I have made 3 videos. In my 3 videos, what is most important is this 8 question is the most important question, because here this question I have made deliberately, and in this question I have explained all the tricks which are very important. If you will ignore this question, you will never be able to do any question in Vedic maths through subtraction. Try to understand the importance of this question. This question is the maximum important question. Question number A. Question number A is the maximum important question in all the videos of Vedic maths based on subtraction which I have taught you. You practice this question again and again, again and again, again and again. Okay. Now you have to do this. So here you got 3 plus 6, that is 9. Can you write here 9 now? Before writing 9 here, what do you have to do? You have to move to the next and check whether the number is matched or mismatched. Okay, see, the number are same. It is neither matched nor mismatched. Move to the next number. It is same. It is neither matched nor mismatched. Move to the next. Now you see 7 minus 1. This is match. You have not made any square or circle here. So what will you do? You got now 9 now. So you will write down here now 9. Why you will write down 9 here? You will not think in your mind now what comes before 9. Okay. So So here you will write here 9. Now move to the next. Here you see here, because these numbers are matched and the numbers are same here, 3 minus 3, here you will write down here 0. Move to the next, 0 minus 0, you will write down here 0. Move to the next, 7 minus 1 is 6, and this is the last number. You will not make any change here. My question number 1 is very important, maximum important. Okay, again I'm just telling you, so you just keep practicing this. Now I'm going to move to the next question so that the concept will be very clear to you. First, you have to make the circles. In this question, you see here 5 minus 1. Here you will make a circle or square in the last. Let me make the square here. See this, in this question you can see here only in the last you have to make the circle or the square. So now let's take the textbooks. You see here, now what will you do in this question is 9 minus 3, you will start from here, is 6. Will you have to check whether you will write here 6. Okay, so before writing 6 here, move to the next. It is, you can't say here it is match or mismatch. It is same. It is same in this also. It is same in this also. It is same in this also. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, and this is match also. If this is match, so all the numbers before these are also match. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 6, so you will write here 6. Now see, you will not think what comes before 6. Why? What is the reason? Because here you have seen this 5 and 1. Because of this pair 5 and 1. Next, what will you do is move to the next. 0 minus 0 is 0. Move to the next. 0 minus 0 is again 0. Move to the next. 1 minus 0 is again 0. Move to the next. 0 minus 0 is again 0. Move to the next. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Will you write 4 here? Check. Now see, here you can't say, in the next pair also 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 you can't say. In the next pair, yes, it is mismatch. If this is mismatch, okay, you got here 5 minus 1, 4 now. What will you do in your mind? Now you will think, what comes before 4? 3 comes before 4. Okay, and move to the next now. 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Again move to the next. 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Again move to the next. 2 minus 2, you will write here 9. Why? Because this is mismatch. Okay, this is mismatch before. So in all these parts you will write 9. 2 minus 2, you will write here 9. Okay, this I have told you in A part also. Again 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Again 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Now in the last part, look at this 7. What is the complement of 7? 3 is the complement of 7. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And this is the last number. You will write down here as it is. See how important is this. This is very important to understand. Now, okay, in the next case also, I'm going to tell you how you have to deal with this case. This is for the proper. I hope you are able to understand the concept. Now in this C part, where will you make a circle or square? Definitely it is clear, visible to you. First step is you have to make the circle here. The next step is that you have to now start writing this question. Okay. Now start from here. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Will you write 6? Before writing 6 here, you move to the next. It is same, 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 it is same. In through my cursor, I have shown you this question, which is very important. All these are same. What you will do now? Okay, because you keep on moving. Here you have seen this is mismatch and you have made a square here. So 7 minus 1 you got 6, but in your mind you will think what comes before 6. 5 comes before 6, you will write down 5 here. Next case, this 0 minus 0, you will write there 9. Okay, next case, 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Next case, 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Next case, 3 minus 3. Important, this is important. You will write here 9. Next case, 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Next case, 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Next case, 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Next case, 0 minus 0, you will write here 9. Next case, now you see how many times you have written this. Just let me check this. Next case, 0 minus 0, you will write 9 here. In the next case, 0 minus 0, you will write 9 here. In the next case, see, here you have to take the complement of 9, that is 1. 1 is the complement of 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. So you will write here 3. And this is the last number. You will not make any changes. You check with the help of calculator all these questions. Why I have done all this? Because you see now in all these questions, you are not required to do any borrow over. This is saving your efforts to make the borrow over. Okay, if you will borrow, you will definitely do some mistake. See, children do the mistake when they do the borrow over. In these questions, now you have seen, I have done with Vedic maths, I have not borrowed. Okay, these are the borrow over sums, but I have not borrowed. Why? Because I have used my special tricks. So this is my special trick which you have to learn. So like this, you have to do this work. Now D part you will do on your own as a practice, and I am giving you one more question for the practice. You see, these are also some other questions which you have to do for your practice, and this is all for today's video. And I hope you will like this new trick, and this is the last part on subtraction. Thanks for watching my video. Please share my video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.